Wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hyperlemon GT. This intro, probably the most boring part of the video. Do stick around for some proper excitement. Today we are at Underup, Thailand. Thailand's largest car show, and it is honestly outrageous. We've got drifting, drag racing, revving, general lack of safety and rules. Makes it a pretty exciting show. I've tried to structure the video, and we are going to kick it off with a bit of drag racing. Black smoke! People, van versus pickup. Oh no, it's diesel as well, is it? Oh, doing a burnout! What? I think my legs are now black. Holy shit. Are you ready? Holy shit! Fucking hell! Bloody hell. And he's in reverse. That's ridiculous. Oh, I was expecting like a lot more than that. That is unbelievable. Surely there's no launch. There is some element of safety then. It's just... Still. 那么。Bloody hell. Wow.
อะไรพี่ข้างหลังมีอะไรกินไหมฮะไม่จะบอกว่าทางนี้ไม่มีอะไรกินเลยครับพี่ มีเคฟซีด้วย
What is this? Parachute on the back. It does, yeah. I mean, he said it was the fastest GTR in 2005 or something. It was the fastest street legal GTR in the world in 2006, with something like an 8.2 quarter mile. Was built in New Zealand, then moved to Australia, and now it lives in Japan, but it's just being rebuilt in Thailand with a billet block, and it's not been tuned, but they expect that it'll get around 2,000 horsepower. So it's going to be pretty rapid. Now, no Thai car show would be complete without at least one fake car. And we have found a lovely fake Carrera GT based on an MR2, and conveniently it parks next to some other MR2s, so you can see kind of where it came from. Now, I don't really know what this is. I think it's a movie car from Cars. Those eyes do come out when they drive the car, and then here's one with a lovely winking eye, and now we're going to watch them drag race. Like, what even are these?
แท็กบี้ถอยอีกค่ะถอยอีกเอายกหน้ารอแล้วถอยอีกค่ะโอเค
you probably couldn't see where they were going. And on that disappointment, it is time to end. Thank you all for watching.